I'm guessing we're starting over. Yes, we are. Okay. This is take 2 of the first episode. We'll come out right here. This is an old prospect. Now I don't know how much you can see. In the distance, but I'm guessing that's a well over a mile, maybe 2 miles down to that next glade, and you can see to the horizon. Those would be Badlands formations, and if I'm not mistaken, that first one would be railroad buttes. So that's what you're looking at there in the distance. Snow covered. It's an agate bed. This was pretty deep down in here. And as I was walking along with my freshly made dowsing rods, I got some signals I thought were interesting. And so I pulled out a couple of rocks. It's unconsolidated sand and gravel, so you can see the exposed rounded gravel. Sometimes it's pretty good size. It's all round, so you know it's been tumbled a little bit by water. And this is the area that I doused. That goes down pretty deep and comes back down by the bridge there where it connects with the highway. This is I think this is bedrock. And you can see some other broken pieces of it along the way. There's another section. You see how it tends to form a line along the ridge, and there's rounded gravel everywhere. Well, as I doused, I opened up this hole and took some sand and gravel out. That's up in the outfit now. And as I was walking around, I just wondered just how, if there was any other areas. Here I am a few feet away, and we have this. This is a prospect. It's got to be 15 feet across, and it looks like it's about, maybe 15 or so yards. Maybe more, maybe 20 yards from top to bottom down here. And it was undoubtedly just scooped out, because I don't see any piles of waste rock taken out of it. So I think they had an earth mover up here and just took everything they got. It's a big sample. Otherwise you'd see stacks of rocks like this, in great stacks, on either side. Those are all hand dug and hand placed up here in the hills. Some more rounded gravel, just kind of unconsolidated, laying around. And the way to find some of the rocks, here's the base of a tree. The trees bring this stuff up. There's some white quartz. There's some more. There's some quartz with some mica. Get a little glance off of it. There you go. That's mica. So this is all sand and gravel up here. There's more of that orange bedrock. I think that's granite. It's got quartz here, right here, quartz crystal. So it's got feldspar, this orange, and mica. So 3 things you need to make granite. That's what the bedrock is here, and that's the this part of the is more of it. This is just broken off a piece right here. We'll walk back up. We got a fine sunset coming at us. I don't want to cause any glare. Yes, it is cold. Did I say it was 10 degrees? It feels like it. Now I know this place was mined and occupied for at least a while. Because here's a bottle dump. Cans. Huh. What strange cans these might be. Look like they could hold amber liquids. Interesting Spock. Haviland motor oil. Someone cut a hole of that with a pocket knife. There's the vent. Guess I gotta back off a little bit so it focuses. So, and he drank Shasta. Dude is a juggalo? Come on now. And we got beans and etc. But the interesting thing, how long ago was this worked? This long ago. There's a piece of barbed wire growing completely through. This tree. This one right here. Okay, see it? It's not stuck in there either, because the barbed wire comes through on the other side. There's another piece over here just like it. Well, this is the other end of it. Nonetheless, that's a tree. So that barbed wire was laying up against that tree, and then the tree grew around it. And that tree is, there's my boot by comparison. Okay, so quite a while ago, long time. But we're gonna hike back out. I wanted to show you the new digs. Over here, there's a little drainage. Got to keep the sun out of the camera's eye. And that ridge over here is all bedrock. And on the other side, all the way down, is the drainage. Okay, prospectors, saw you later. Yo.